Hello, everyone. Welcome with STEM and Space. As you know, we are actually. Just a minute. So welcome all the NAC participants for today's great engagement. I hope you all have been having a lot of fun and learning. So have you all began learning with your material list, because the exam is closing now? Okay, so make sure you prepare well. So today, as you know, we are meeting for a very interesting quiz, that is Mega Kahoot quiz. I think this excites everyone. And this is for grade 4 and 5 today. So any of the senior participants, I hope you will give fair chances to students from grade 4 and 5 today. So you will be having your Kahoot Mega quiz tomorrow. So you can join it then. And by the end of today's Mega Kahoot quiz, there are a few very important instructions also regarding your NSE exam. So please stay connected and understand all of it today. Okay, so because the onboarding process has started, and I'll be guiding you a little bit through it today as well. Okay, after the Kahoot quiz. Today's Kahoot quiz, I hope you all are aware how to join and play Kahoot quiz. But for those who have joined currently or are new to the platform, so I'll just guide you through it. How can you actually play on it? Just give me a minute and I will share my screen. All right. So any of the new players who are first time going to join on Kahoot, all you need to do is, there are two ways to join first of all. One is using the Kahoot app that you can easily access on your mobile phones. And the second way, just in case you want to use the same device or even on your mobile phones, if you don't have the app, all you can do is type in www.kahoot.it. Okay, make sure it's .it and not .com. As soon as you will press enter, this will ask for a game pin. Okay, I will be providing you the game pin today. And once you enter the game pin, it is going to ask for nickname. Now, one very important thing for this Kahoot quiz, I want you all to enter with your official names, the names with which you have registered in your National Astronomy Challenge quiz. Okay, because by the end, the winners, I'll be taking a screenshot and you will soon see yourselves on STEM&Space Facebook page as well. So make sure you all enter with your names. I don't want any funny names today. Like generally, I have seen kids enter with the names like Lord Voldemort and Harry Potter. So just the official names today, fine? Okay, now I'll be revealing the game pin. I hope the procedure to join is clear to you all. So just give me a moment. Yep. And the game pin is right over here. It's 74843332. All the players are welcome. You all can join. Make sure you all joining with your names. Okay, Arav Gupta is here. Okay, great. 3 of the participants. So I think since it's clear, let me on the music and share the sound. Okay, 70. Keep coming. Okay. Ritwik. I'll just keep on scrolling down and up so that you can see your names on the screen. Okay, 137 participants so far, waiting for some more time. Okay, like this, doctor, you needed to enter with your name. Possible, please log out and rejoin. As I said, the names will be reshared on the Facebook page as well. So you'd love to see your names there. Okay, so please join using your official names with which you have entered or registered for the NAC exam. You can scan through your names meanwhile. "161 participants." Okay. "167. Hurry up, giving you 5 minutes to join. Okay, so it's currently the time is 5:36. So by 5:41, we will begin the quiz. Okay. Anyone still to join? You have time. Okay, 169 so far. So meanwhile, everyone is joining. I would like attention of each one of you, and I'll lower down the volume for a while. So for today's Kahoot quiz, definitely there are some rules and some interesting questions. So let me just walk you through a bit. First of all, this is an online platform where we are connected, right? So there can be some internet issues. So I don't want you all to panic in case you get logged out. It's totally okay. You can rejoin. The game pin will always be on the screen on the top right corner. I'll keep it flashing as we go ahead in the quiz. So nothing to worry whether you are losing your points there. All that matters is in the Kahoot quiz, we are here to gather knowledge and share knowledge. Whatever you know, you answer. Whatever you don't know, it's a chance for you to learn over here in this platform. Okay, so do not worry in case you answer it wrong or you miss it because of your internet connectivity. Second of all, I'd like to tell you about the questions. You will be going through a variety of questions. Like one is a very general type that we usually get. There is a question and 4 options, right? So the options are actually color coded, like red, green, blue. Okay, these kind of color coded questions. So you need to select your answers based on that color code. Also, there will be different kind of questions like type in question. So there will be a question and you need to type your answer. Now in these kind of questions, you will have to be very careful with the spelling especially. Okay, any spelling error will actually cost you points over there. Then further, there will be an arranging question as well. Okay, so arranged question, how to answer that? There will be empty boxes at the top, 4 empty boxes, okay? And 4 boxes in the bottom with the options written. You need to drag them in the right sequence and then click on submit so that your answer is submitted. Remember to click on submit, else your answer won't be submitted. Okay, so I hope you are clear with these instructions. Okay, 183 have joined, waiting for 2 more minutes. Anyone still to join? So you need to buckle up a bit. Meanwhile, I'll scroll it up and down so that you can see your names, those who have already joined in. Okay, so as you're joining, one more important information. Today's quiz questions are basically based on observing the sky. So I hope many of us are night sky lovers because we all are into astronomy. And it is something that even people are not interested, it's something that is happening every day and night, right? So the questions will be related to that. constellations, and few things that we see up there. So a great chance to share knowledge and learn more about it. 1 more minute to go. Anyone still joining in? Hurry up. Or anyone got logged out? Hurry up. The game pin I'm repeating, as you can see, it is on the screen as well. It is 7484332. I guess somebody got logged out, so you better hurry. Okay, more coming. And Hero Urchin. Okay, few of you have still joined with your different names. Hopefully you follow the instructions properly while giving the exams. You need to be careful, okay? So the time is already up. So we are going to start the Kahoot quiz. Everyone, let's get ready. And let me on the music as well so that we can have more fun. So starting up with 191 participants, here we go. So the first question is coming on the screen. Here we go. Which among the following is not observed in the night sky? Your options are option red moon, option blue Jupiter, option yellow sun, and option green Sirius. Okay, great. So one of you said moon. Definitely we see moon in the night sky, right? If you're considering new moon, so it's not, something that you need to consider over here. 15 of you said Jupiter. Well, Jupiter, although it's a planet, you can actually see it naked eyes. Among the stars, it seems maybe lost, but once you understand how to find it out, you can definitely watch it. Sun is not something you can watch in night sky. So 105 of you have answered it correctly. Good job. Sirius is actually a star, so you can see it in the night sky, just clearing confusion for 49 of you have answered. Okay, so make sure you know now, Sirius is actually a star and it is the brightest star of the night sky. All right, so let's see the scoreboard. Okay, so Pranav is at top with Arjun, Satyam, Fatima, and Ashita. And you need to be really careful, guys, because all top 5, you are very close in scores. If you see, it's 958, 949, 944, 44. Okay, Satyam and Fatima equal points, and Ashita is just 2 points behind. Okay, so everyone buckle up. Those who are not here, don't worry at all. There are 20 questions. Okay, so and double point questions will also be there. It's just a start. Let's get to the second question. Second question is type answer for double points. Okay, let's see. An area in the sky in which group of visible stars form a pattern is called dash. What do we call it? All right, great. Many of you have, okay. So 96 have wrote constellation, 23 has wrote constellations. Both of you are correct, actually. Congratulations to you all. And anyone who didn't get it correct, let me tell you, generally what we hear so far is that constellation is a group of stars forming a pattern. Well, that's since we are growing up and into the astronomy field, so you should have more understanding of what constellations exactly are. They are not just group of stars forming a pattern, but it is a pattern within an area in the sky. Okay, our entire sky is divided into 88 areas, so 88 constellations. Okay, so that is what constellation is. If you want to explore more how a group of visible star forms pattern, just that wording and area is different. You can also explore the term asterism on your own. Okay, there is a difference between asterism and constellation. Do explore. Let's see how's the scoreboard now. Okay, quite a change, but Pranav still maintaining his position. Great. So Jan has entered with Nishant, Fatima, and Abhay. Great going. Let's see next question. True or false? There are 1,100 constellations in the night sky. Hopefully everyone gets it correct. Let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Time's up. All right. So 66 of you say it's true and 124 of you say it's false. Well, the statement is false, guys. I just said that our entire sky is divided into 88 areas. And areas is what constellation is. I just told you, right? So there are total 88 constellations in the night sky. Okay, I hope those who got it incorrect, now it's a new information and you will remember it. Let's see the scoreboard. Oh my God, Pranav is not leaving his space, but good luck. Okay, and Mohammad Jan at second position with Abhinav, Nishant, and Abhay. Up to 32 places, Shivansh Pawank is the highest climber. Way to go. Okay, all the best to everyone. Moving to the next question now. Sorry. The 88 official set of constellations were defined by IAU. What does IAU stand for? Option red, International Aerospace Union. Option blue, Indian Astronomy Union. Option yellow, International Astronomical Union. Option green, International Astronomical University. All right. So here, 88 of you are correct. What a coincidence. 88 constellation, 88 of you are correct. Okay. So IAU is actually International Astronomical Union. Now, let me just show you the file attached over here. So here you see this white area. Now, this is one area, that means one constellation. So basically what happened was, long back, every culture had their own set of constellation. So that was generating kind of a lot of confusion among people. So that's how the organization decided to, give an official set of constellation that is followed worldwide. So IAU is that organization that gave us 88 constellations. So I hope those who got it incorrect, it was a new information for you and you will remember it now. Let's see the scoreboard with this question. Okay, Pranav with Rashmi, Advik, Abhinav, and Arav. Good. Others, those who have not entered, hopefully I'll see your name over here. There are many more double points questions upcoming. Okay, so let's see. Coming up is the next question. Question number 5 for double points. So buckle up. Which is the brightest star of sky? Option red, Rigel. Option blue, Polaris. Option yellow, Sirius. Option green, Sun. Okay, so 4 of you said Rigel, 17 of you said Polaris, and 82 of you said Sirius. Okay, sorry, 92 of you said Sirius, and 82 of you said Sun. So just giving a hint over here, those who got it incorrect. The actual answer is Sun for this question, of course. That's the brightest star. Sun is also a star, right? And here I have not mentioned whether a night sky or a day sky, it's just sky, right? So Sun is the right answer over here. Also, sometimes the answer is getting revealed in the images. So if you have your eye carefully all around on the screen, hopefully you'll get many of them right. Okay, so just giving you a little bit of idea, Rigel is actually the brightest star from the constellation Orion, a very famous one. Polaris is the star that helps us find direction in the night sky. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky, as we have already discussed. Sun everyone is aware of. Okay, so let's see the scoreboard with this question now. Okay, so Rashmi just climbed up with Abhinav, Fatima, Sri Krishna, and Pragyan. A lot of changes in top 5 in this question. Good, I've seen many new names right now. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 6. Hunting a bull in the sky. Can you guess which constellation am I? Okay, and the option red is Taurus, option blue Orion, option yellow Gemini, and option green Virgo. Okay, so 71 of you are correct with this question. Great, great job. 85 of you said Taurus. Well, the bull part, you got it right. Bull is actually the Taurus constellation. It is also one of the zodiac constellation, if you are aware of. Okay, let me show you the image. So in the night sky, actually how they are placed, this is Orion constellation, the famous hunter, and Taurus is just next to it. And Taurus Eye here that you see is a star called Aldebaran. That's red giant. So it's red in color. So it seems that the bull is angry because the hunter is hunting him in the night sky. So that is how they are placed in the winter night sky, especially for people living in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so the correct answer is Orion. Let's see the scoreboard. It has changed once again. Okay, great. So Abhinav is at top with Rashmi, Shlok, Fatima, and Shri Krishna. 3 players have reached answer streak of 5. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, let's see the next question. True or false? Ancient people understood the importance of constellations as it helped them navigate and guess the season pattern. Is it true or false? All right, so 176 of you said true, while 26 of you said it's false. Well, the statement is true. So ancient people, how they started realizing the importance. Like you must have heard about stories of pirates, right? They use some star and just navigate. Imagine you are a pirate, okay? And you are in sea. All you see is the night sky and the water merging together. Okay, how do you find land? How do you find direction? So basically, star comes to rescue that time. So that's how the navigation part started, okay, with the help of star Polaris. And season patterns, if you pay attention, there are winter constellations, summer constellation. So just by looking up at constellation, they knew when to grow which kind of crops. So that is how constellation came to be of real importance, okay? So the statement is true. So 26 of one of you who have answered incorrect, I hope it has added something to your knowledge. And the scoreboard looks like this, just a swap between Shlok and Rashmi. 21 players just hit answer streak of 3. Okay, wonderful. The game pin, once again, I'm repeating for anyone who has got logged out or has joined us late. It's right over here, 7484332. Okay, it will keep flashing on this corner of my screen, so do not worry. Moving up with the next question. Everyone, eyes on the screen. Here we go. Question number 8. Which among the following is not a summer constellation for people living in the northern hemisphere? Option red, Cygnus. Option blue, Scorpius. Option yellow, Sagittarius. Option green, Orion. Just giving you a hint, look at the image if anyone knows how the constellations look like. Okay. Quite a mixed answer I have got over here. So let me tell you, Cygnus is actually a summer constellation, so is Scorpius and Sagittarius. Orion is the right answer. A few questions back when I was talking about the Orion and Taurus constellation, remember I said it appears in winters. Okay, so here, this is the odd one out. And for anyone who would like to see, it's quite easy to find, especially because the stars of this constellation are really bright. These 3 stars that you see are called as the belt of Orion. Okay, so this is very easy to spot. Once you have spotted this, you can get this part, this, and this very easily. Okay, so this is the shoulder part of Orion. This is the belt part, and these are the knees. Basically, he's bending and hunting Taurus. That is how it is. And one star that we have been regularly hearing in our conversation is Rigel. Rigel is right over here. Okay, that's the brightest star. And if anyone is a Harry Potter fan over here, you know, these stars and constellations have got a lot of characters' names are derived from these stars and constellations, like Bellatrix. The star is part of Orion constellation. Okay, just a fun fact. Let's see how the scoreboard looks like. Okay, now there is a lot of changes down here. So Abhinav still maintaining position. Good. Here goes Rashmi at second with Ashay, Shri Krishna, and Shlok. Very good. 3 in a row. Rishank Pawar is back in the game. Very good. Okay. Keep it up. Let's see the next question. Question number 9 for double points. So buckle up once again. Once Sam was lost alone. Using a star, he found his way back home at night. How did he manage to find his way back? Option red, using sun, he saw shadows to find all directions. Option blue, star Polaris helped him find north and hence all the directions. Option yellow, both red and blue options are correct. Option green, more detail is required. Let's see who gets it correct. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Time is up. So, okay, 172 of you said blue, and that is correct, guys. Very good. So basically, if you're talking about nighttime, Polaris is the star that comes to rescue. So you just spot Polaris, also called as North Star or Dhruv Tara in Hindi. Once you spot that star, you get the actual north. Like this star over here in this representative image is Polaris, North Star. Just join it down to the ground, and that line is actually called as joining it to the horizon. Okay, horizon is where the sky and land appears to meet. So when you join there, you get the actual geographical north. Okay, so good. We can use astronomy knowledge to just move around. Let's see the scoreboard. Okay, everyone is just glued to their position now. Meanwhile, Manvi Saxena is back in game. Very good. Let's see the next question. Question number 10, we are for double points. Okay. Which two star patterns help in finding Polaris in the night sky? Let's see who gets it correct. Option red is Cassiopeia and Cygnus. Option blue, Summer Triangle, Big Dipper. Option yellow, Big Dipper, Cassiopeia. Option green, Orion and Scorpius. Answer just got revealed in the image as well. Okay, so 87 of you got it correct. Now, here there is a learning point for those students who have answered it incorrect. So if I show you the image once again, Big Dipper is right over here. Okay, you must have heard of Big Dipper. In Hindi, we call it Saptarishi. Okay, so this once you have found this pattern in the sky, you can easily find out Polaris. Okay, how to do that? Let me just try to annotate and show it to you. Here you see this star 1 is over here and the second star is over here. Okay, all you need to do is once you have spotted this entire pattern, just draw an imaginary line in the sky in your mind, and the only bright star you will find in the way is Polaris. Okay, and all you need to do is just drag it down in your head and you have got your north. So this is how Big Dipper helps us find north. While the second constellation, Cassiopeia, she's also called as the queen of the night sky. There is a very interesting story behind it. You can explore about the story part. So it looks like W or M in the night sky. That's how you spot it. Okay, so this is also made up of bright stars. You can spot it easily. And once you have spotted, you kind of see, if you break it from the middle, it looks like 2 V, alphabet V, right? Here is 1 V, here is second V. You need to look for the V, which is more broader, okay, broadly open. You see this V is more broadly open. Okay, so from the center star, if you bend the line, this also leads you directly to Polaris. So these are the 2 ways. If you want to try it, you can actually do it. I have done it multiple times. It's really helpful and nice, to know just use the sky above and find out these things. Okay, so I hope it was a learning for all of you. Let's see the scoreboard now. All right, so below there has been some changes. Abhinav and Rashmi maintaining their position with Shri Krishna, Shlok and Raj Rishi in top 5 now. 3 players have reached answer streak of 5. Wonderful. Okay, and we are nearly halfway in the quiz. More questions to go. So buckle up. Let's see the next question. Question number 11, true or false? The stars that never rise or set are called as circumpolar stars. Is it true or false? Okay, very good. 135 of you say it's true. Well, the statement is true. So learning for the other 68 of you. Well, have you ever seen an image like this? Many times, when I was not in astronomy, when I saw an image like this, I used to think it's a fake image, right? It actually looks like this. But when you point your DSLR cameras towards the night sky and leave it for a very long, you take multiple shots for long duration and you process it, you get something like this actually. Okay. So at the center, what you see a dot over there, that is Polaris. Remember, Polaris is aligned with the axis of Earth. So it seems stationary to us, while the other stars move to be moving around. Okay. So these stars, which are around the Polaris, they're never rising and setting. It's just moving over there. Just, you can even try this later on. Just stand up at your places, look above and spin at your place. So whatever is overhead will remain stationary. Other things around will move around, okay? While the things which are towards your hand down here, they will seem to rise and set, okay? So that is how it is. These stars are actually circumpolar, which are never rising and setting. Okay, let's see the scoreboard with this. And Tanish has entered in top 5, wonderful. And up to 9 places, Anahat is the highest climber. Way to go. Let's see the next question. Question number 12 for double points. Okay. The closest large spiral galaxy to us is dash. Is it option red, Large Magellanic Cloud? Option blue, Pleiades star cluster? Option yellow, Gemini? Option green, Andromeda galaxy? Anyone still joining? The game pin is here on the screen. Anyone who has got logged out, it will always be here, so you can use it. Okay, so 170 of you got it correct. That is Andromeda galaxy. Let me give you some information over here. Like 16 of you said Large Magellanic Cloud. Here I'm talking about spiral galaxy, okay? And Large Magellanic Cloud is not a spiral galaxy. It is an irregular galaxy. Means it has got no regular shape at all. It's just randomly dust, gases, stars everywhere scattered. Okay, Pleiades star cluster is not a galaxy, as it is a star cluster, group of stars at a place. And this is a very famous one. Remember Taurus constellation we are talking about? So this Pleiades star cluster lies in Taurus constellation, clearly visible in a clear sky with naked eyes also. But with telescopes, if you see it, it looks like diamonds over there. Okay, truly like that. It's beautiful. Then Gemini is actually a constellation, not a galaxy. So definitely it is not an answer. And Andromeda galaxy is the correct one. Andromeda galaxy is really huge. It's like double the size of Milky Way galaxy in which we are in. So good to explore about it. And Prisha has now entered in top 5, while others have increased up in their score. Very good. This was a combo breaker round. 3 players just dropped their answers. No problem. I hope you learned as we began with this knowledge that here we are going to learn and share knowledge. Okay, so it's totally fine. It doesn't matter where you are going. Make sure you learn and gather some information from here. Let's see the next question. 13, and you have to type. Okay, this is for double points. Which is the largest constellation? The image is here on the screen. Oh, let's see who gets this one correct. The largest constellation. Okay, I've got multiple answers over here. Okay, yes, the correct answer is Hydra. 57 of you have got it correct. So it's a great learning for everyone. So Hydra is the largest constellation. I saw many of you in your answer have written snake. Okay, so basically the way you see it, it's actually a snake. It is a water snake. Remember, every constellation represents some kind of character, creature, mythological figure. So this one represents a water snake, and it is really huge in size, guys. Okay, if you're watching one part of the sky, it spreads from one part to second part. It is a very big constellation. All right, so other than 57 kids, I hope others have learned from this question. Let's see how the scoreboard looks like. Okay, this has brought some changes. Abhinav and Rashmi maintaining their position. Guys are just glued to your position. And upcoming are Prisha, Rajshri, and Tanish. Very good. Let's see the next question. Question number 14. Amber went out to observe the shooting stars. She saw 50 of them in an hour, in just 1 hour, okay? Which astronomy event was she observing? Was it solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, a comet pass, meteor shower? All right, very good. 154 of you are correct. So basically, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are something different. It is the shadow play of sun, earth, and moon. Okay, right? So this two are definitely out of the question. Comet pass, you cannot see 50 of them in an hour. Basically, one of them passes by and you have to watch it. Okay, so if you are talking about multiple of such things, and also a hint was there, shooting stars. Shooting stars are called as meteor. So if you see many of the shooting stars, many meteors, it is called as meteor shower. So that's how people actually record when they're observing, like how many have they seen in 1 hour, in 2 hours. And there are many meteor showers that happens. So you can keep yourself updated and also try to observe it. It's truly fun because you never get to see, shooting stars falling so frequently. So it's quite, a natural firework up in the sky. So have fun watching it sometime. And okay, now Rashmi has climbed up. Here, a big change came up while Abhinav is at second position with Prisha, Rajshri, and Prateek. Up to 14 places, Shaurya Shah is the highest climber. Way to go. Let's see the next question. Question number 15 for double points. Okay. Which among the following is not a constellation? Not a constellation, remember. Is it Lyra, Rigel, Taurus, or Leo? I think few questions back, I just shared the answer as well. A hint, it is getting revealed in the image also. All right, good. 102 of you got it correct. Others, let me just tell you. If you're talking about Lyra, Lyra is actually a constellation. Okay, 60 of you those who said this. It is a summer constellation. It has got a very bright star named as Vega inside it. Okay, so this is a constellation. If you talk about Taurus, 102 of you said Taurus. Remember, we have been talking about Taurus so frequently right now. It is a constellation. So it is out of question once again. Leo is a constellation. It represents the lion, right? So this is also out of the question. Rigel here is the right answer. And how it was getting revealed here in this image is, this is Orion constellation. And Rigel, I have told you, is the brightest star from this constellation. I just showed you a few questions back. Okay, so try to remember these points now. Let's see how does the scoreboard looks like. Okay, Sri Krishna has entered over here and Rajshri switched to 5th place. Nishya is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Very good. I hope you all are learning and enjoying this game. Let us see the next question. Question number 16. Identify the constellation in the image below. Option red, Cygnus. Option blue, Sagittarius. Option yellow, Leo. Or option green, Draco. What does this look like? Try to imagine. Okay, so here Leo is the right answer. 59 of you actually were able to figure it out. Let me just show you. So Leo the lion, here you see this top part that you're watching is actually the face of the lion. Okay, and this entire thing is the body of the lion. He's actually sitting, okay, not standing position. And here goes the tail part. So this is Leo the lion. And let's see the scoreboard with this. Okay, Tanish is now on third position with Prisha Shri Krishna down there. Nice. Dave is back with an answer streak of 3. Very good. Let's see question number 17. Identify the constellation in the image below. Once again, let's see who can identify this one. Is it Gemini, Hercules, Orion, or Scorpius? Remember, there is no negative marking, so no need to worry at all. At least answer something. It's a learning. Okay, so 99 of you said Gemini, and you all are correct. Okay, so Gemini, what does it represent? I hope some of you are aware about it. It represents the twin brothers or twin cousin brothers named Castor and Pollux. So now, as I said, brother, hope you can imagine now. It's like stick figure. When kids draw, how do they draw? They just try strict lines for man, right? So here you see, this is the face, this is the body, the leg, and the hand. Hand is stretched out. And here is the second brother, Pollux. Once again, they are joining hand in hand, and this is the legs part over here. So I hope you can imagine the Gemini constellation, the twin brothers, Castor and Pollux. Okay, so let's see the scoreboard. Okay, so Hari Krishna has entered in top 5 while others are maintaining their position. 11 players just hit an answer streak of 4. Very good, very good. Let's see next question. Question number 18 for double points. It can bring a lot of changes, so be careful. Look at the image and identify the type of eclipse. Here is an image. Identify which kind of eclipse is it. Is it total lunar eclipse? Is it partial solar eclipse? Is it partial lunar eclipse or total solar eclipse? Okay, so 117 of you have answered it correctly. It is a total solar eclipse. Others, let's just see how 117 of you actually figured it out. Okay, so if you see this image, there is a glow behind. So that is definitely the sun. While you see a black patch at the top, so definitely it is something is hiding the sun, right? And since we are watching it, so we will be watching it from the earth only. So there is earth, moon, and sun. What does it tell us? It tells us it is total solar eclipse as the sun is completely covered over here. Okay, so the answer was option green. I hope the explanation helps you understand how to know which type of eclipse it is. Let's see the scoreboard. Anyone still joining in or have got logged out? Once again, I'm repeating. The game pin is down here. It is 7484332. Let's see the scoreboard. Okay, so Rashmi and Abhinav at their places with Prisha, Hare Krishna, and Vedant. Very good. So 7 players just hit an answer streak of 5. Wonderful. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 19, the second last question, guys. During a lunar eclipse, moon comes between the sun and earth. Is it true or false? Hurry up, time's getting over. Okay, hopefully every one of you were able to submit your answers. So the correct answer is that the statement is false. So during a lunar eclipse, we are talking about lunar eclipse now, okay? Moon comes between the sun and earth. We just talked when the moon comes between the sun and earth, that is solar eclipse. So that cannot be lunar eclipse. So 70 of you, those who answered, said true. The statement is actually incorrect. Just for your idea, I'm showing you the image once again. Here is sun, here is earth, and here is moon. So when moon is inside the shadow of earth, it is the lunar eclipse. And when moon was over here from earth, how will you see it? Sun, moon, right? That is how we saw in the last image. That is the solar eclipse. Okay. Let's see the scoreboard. Okay, everyone is just stuck to their places. Meanwhile, Agriya is back with an answer streak of 3. Very good, Agriya. Let's see, everyone. Here comes our final question, and this is a puzzle question for double points. You need to arrange here, okay? Arrange the phases of the moon as it grows, starting from the new moon. So first place will go for new moon and then arrange next of the options. Remember to drag the options and place it in the empty boxes in the right sequence and then click on submit. Otherwise your answer won't be submitted. 10 more seconds to go. Those who have not answered, please hurry up now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Time's up, guys. Okay, I see there was a bit of confusion with many of you in this question, but that's okay. We will learn this part. 13% of you got it correct. So let's see what should be the right order. The right order is new moon comes first. After that is the first quarter, then is the full moon, and then is waning crescent. Let me show you how this is going. So this is the new moon. New moon is when we see no moon at all. Next goes is the first quarter. First quarter is basically the half moon that you see, the first half moon after the new moon. Okay, so after the new moon, if we go, this is the first quarter. Okay, and then in the cycle, we can see full moon right over here. And then is waning crescent over here. So waning crescent will come at the end. Waning means the moon is now decreasing in shape. So here you see it was full moon, then it becomes gibbous. It has decreased in shape. Then it becomes half. Once again, it has decreased. And then it is crescent. It has decreased. So this is waning crescent that will come at the end. I hope this cycle will help you remember how the moon phases proceed. Okay. And now that we are done with all of it, let's see the podium. How does it look like? Okay, and on number 3, we have Abhinav. Congratulations. On second, we have Thanis. Congratulations. You all can clap at your places. And in the spotlight, we have Rashmi. Congratulations. And the runner-ups are Prisha and Hari Krishna. Congratulations, guys. Let me just quickly take a screenshot. Wonderfully played. So I hope it was a wonderful experience for all of you, not just for the participants, I'll say over here, for those who have won actually, but for everyone, because we all have learned something from here as we proceeded with the questions. I hope that will give you more understanding of astronomy and the night sky knowledge. Now, as I told you, by the end, I'm going to tell you something really, really important, and that is regarding your National Astronomy Challenge. So the onboarding has started. What do I mean by onboarding? Let me just share my screen and show it to you. Before that, I hope you all are actually have got a login ID and password, right? I'll just show you that platform. How can you do that? So once you go to this website provided by STEM&Space, you will see here login. Okay, that's where you need to add your ID and password. So I'll just quickly log in and show it to you. Make sure you all enter it correctly, because this is also case sensitive, so it may just not provide you the exact page if you enter it incorrect. Now, once you are on the page, you have to go to National Astronomy Challenge. Okay, there are a lot of things on this page. Many of you are online as well right now, as I can see. So once you go on this page, you have to click on National Astronomy Challenge. I hope many of you have already accessed this part, because your material, NSE study material, is over here. Okay, so you just below this, you need to go and you see over here, it says NSE onboarding and student verification. Now remember, on the day, it's an online exam, right? So verification is required. So this onboarding will help you be prepared for the session that day. There will be some installation. There is some installation required, facial recognition required, verification of name is required. All these things are required that you can pre-do already so that you are tension free on the day of your exam. So all you need to do is click on this NAC onboarding, okay, and student verification, and just go down. Now here is already an onboarding tutorial video added. It's a YouTube video. You can play and watch the entire video, how to do onboarding. Okay, this will guide you through each and every thing step by step. Okay, so it's really important, guys. I hope you all will do it. So the purpose of this entire onboarding is, number one, downloading of the testing software onto your system. It's really important. And onto your system part, I'd like to highlight whatever system you are using for verification, that should be the system that you will be using on the day of exam. I'll repeat it once again. Whatever system you will do the onboarding on currently, the same system, the same PC or same laptop you have to use on the day of your examination. Okay, because all the verification will be done on that, the installation will be done on that system only. Got it? Okay. Next, this will help you process participant verification, facial scan, authentication during NSC Olympiad. So when you are sitting for this onboarding, make sure you have one of your IDs with you. Even your school IDs are fine. Then this will help you get familiar with the end-to-end process of the Olympiad. Like, how is the exam going to be? Okay, there is a sample question also, so that you can understand how the question will appear. How will I know whether I've answered it or not? So it will guide you through that. And also, if you have any confusion in the process 1, 2, 3, you actually need to get the technical help already before the exam so that we can solve it for you. Okay, so for any further questions that you have regarding this, you can always write to us on hello@nationalastronomy.org. The email ID is already shared, I guess. So make sure you write your any of the queries or any of the problems that you have faced so far related to National Astronomy Challenge, be it onboarding, material list. Make sure you get back to us. Okay, so that was all about the onboarding process. And I hope you also enjoyed the Mega Kahoot quiz today. Any of the seniors with us right now, tomorrow for you guys, we will be having a Mega Kahoot quiz. So do not be sad at all. So with this all, I'll be signing off. I'll wish all the National Astronomy Challenge participants all the best. Do your best. Okay, prepare well. So see you all soon. Bye, everyone.